Hello everyone and welcome to another Chart of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 30th of January around 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and today we're gonna cover the Euro Dollar Chart of the Day video. Chart of the Day is a session that we have in the homepage of Elliott Wave Forecast, in which we always analyze one of the instruments among the 78 instruments that we cover in Elliott Wave Forecast, presented to the followers our idea in that particular instrument. So like I say, today we're going to talk a little bit about the euro. The euro is trading against the US dollar, and these are the lows of the US dollar back in 2008. It's very clear in degrees that you got a red degree, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And it's very clear that from the lows that happened in 2018 is 3 ways higher, and we're expecting still the dollar to make a new high, consequently the euro to make a new low. At this stage, we are in the proposal wave 4. This is how the 5 waves looks like in Elliott Wave. And as I say, in red, we have already 1, 2, 3, 4. But we should be in the last leg of a cycle in the dollar that comes from the peak in 2008. Do the math, it's almost a 15-year cycle that is coming to the end in the dollar. So very interesting at this stage, and we have to be careful chasing here, but still based on the Elliott Wave theory, a new high should be taking place. The correction in the wave 4 in the dollar is taking a form of an ABC, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 waves back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how we see the dollar or the euro at this stage. We believe that January the 6th was the connector of the B wave, and that now we might have ended wave 1 or wave C of that proposal wave 4. Shorter side, and then we should see a pullback and more upside within the next few days. In the shorter cycle here, the euro, we can see that is doing also what it looks to be an ABC correction from the peak of last week around in January the 26th, when the instrument peaked around 109.28, and the instrument should be traded lower within the next few hours, and maybe by tomorrow we will be trading within the 108.20, 107.63 area, which, as far as I say about that area, we believe that this is going to become a 3-way pullback, and we believe that from that area there, new highs within the cycle from January the 6th, it should happen. So a very technical overview of the euro dollar, a very well defined area when buyers should be entering the market here, and a most likely outcome, which is that within the 13-year cycle, one more leg higher should happen, like it happens over here before the reverse entry wave. If you like our video, I invite you guys to take our 14-day trial for just $9.99, or use this promo code right here to get a 15% on the price on the membership. So take the trials or become a member and save from the get going if you like the video. That's everything for today. I wish you guys all a wonderful night, and I see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone.